Hey there, laundry warriors! Ever wondered what magic happens inside that humming electric dryer in your laundry room? Well, grab a seat and let's break down the science of drying clothes in the most entertaining way possible. The dryer's secret formula. Not all dryers look the same, but guess what? They all work in the same way, relying on three main superheroes: airflow, heat, and drum rotation. These three factors team up to dry your clothes faster than you can say, "Where's my sock?" Let's dive into how they work together and some common hiccups you might encounter. Airflow, the wind beneath your clothes. When you fire up your dryer, it uses a blower wheel to pull air in from either the front or the back. This air gets superheated and then circulated through your clothes as the drum spins like a merry-go-round. The hotter the air, the more effective it is at evaporating moisture, heating things up. In an electric dryer, the air gets hot thanks to a heating element. But here's the catch: good airflow is crucial. Without it, the heat can't travel through the dryer properly, causing the high-limit thermostat to throw a little temper tantrum and cut the power to the heating element. When the thermostat cools down, it resets, but your clothes are left soggy, and the dryer takes ages to finish its job. Talk about a drama queen. Potential dryer dilemmas. A few things can go wrong with airflow. This can cause all sorts of problems, including blown fuses or a busted thermal cutoff switch. If the airflow is really poor, your dryer might refuse to heat or even start up at all. Moral of the story: give your dryer some space and it'll repay you with perfectly dry clothes. Keep it clean, folks! For the dryer to work its magic, the hot air needs to flow evenly through the tumbling clothes and then through the lint screen. That's right, cleaning the lint screen after each load isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Otherwise, you're looking at a linty mess that clogs the exhaust vent and risks turning your dryer into a bonfire. The great escape: exhausting the hot air. Once the hot air has done its job removing moisture, it needs to make a quick exit from your home via an exhaust vent. This vent can be made of rigid or semi-rigid materials, and each has a length limit, like your favorite pair of jeans. Too many bends in the vent reduce airflow, making your dryer less efficient and potentially setting it up for failure. And nobody wants a dryer that's all bent out of shape. Voltage drama. The heating element springs to life when it gets a healthy dose of 240 volts of alternating current. If there's an issue with the voltage, maybe a blown fuse or a tripped breaker, your dryer might run, but the air won't be heated. It's like a hot tub party with no hot water. Kind of pointless. Drum rotation, the dance floor. Let's not forget the drum, which rotates with the help of a drive belt. This belt wraps around the drum and connects to a motor, ensuring that your clothes dance around inside the dryer, getting evenly dried. If the belt breaks, the drum won't rotate, and your clothes will be left stranded in a soggy mess. A broken belt might even activate a switch that stops the motor from running. Who knew laundry could be so dramatic? The final spin. Airflow, heat, and drum rotation are the holy trinity of drying. If any of these aren't working right, your dryer is bound to have a bad day. But don't fret, whether it's a fuse, a thermostat, or a heating element, each can be tested and replaced to get your dryer back in the game. Conclusion: be the dryer whisperer. There you have it, folks. Next time you hear that familiar hum of your dryer, you'll know the heroic efforts taking place inside. And if things go wrong, you're equipped with the knowledge to diagnose and fix the issue like a pro. Remember, a happy dryer makes for happy laundry days.